Let's look at the question which is puzzled by 99% of .NET developers. How a .NET Core dependency injection uses the single instance when API requests are stateless. So basically, .NET Core is stateless. That means the current request knows nothing about previous request. Then how come my API knows whether the request is created earlier or not? Interesting, right? So let's check what are the .NET Core service lifetimes. We all know that there are three service lifetimes: transient, scoped, and singleton. Transient, you will get the instance, a fresh instance every time. Scoped, instance will be shared for that particular HTTP request. Singleton, single request will be shared across the entire application lifetime. This is really interesting, right? Let's let's consider an example. You have a front end and you have a API at the back end .NET Core. You are asking give me the fresh request, but your every request is different. How do you know that the singleton request is created earlier or not? Okay, fine. The answer to this mystery is these two are different concepts. DI lifetime scoped objects are created by dependency injection container, and it keeps that reference in the memory which is inside the server memory. So the reference is stored into the service registry which is kept into the server memory, which is not refreshed when you ask for a different request, which is basically a stateless nature. We are talking about stateless, which means the data is not shared or exchanged across the HTTP request. That is what the stateless concept is. Wherever stateless concept is different than the DI lifetime scope, which is maintained and kept by a dependency injection container. So whenever you will come across this question, these two are different concept. DI lifetime scopes is a different concept and stateless is a different concept. Follow me for more Azure and .NET technical tips and tricks for the interview. Thank you. Happy learning.